Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage, edit, and add blog posts in Wix. If you're running a blog on your Wix website, knowing how to effectively manage your content is essential for keeping your audience engaged and your site fresh. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the specific settings and management tools for your website, separating it from any mobile app configurations you might have. From this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the website you wish to manage, edit, and add blog posts to. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account, as you want to ensure you're working on the correct one. Next, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically placed beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will direct you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where the real magic happens. The editor is your workspace for customizing your site's design and content, and it's where you'll access your blog management tools. Once you're in the Wix website editor screen, look for the page drop-down menu located on the upper left part of your screen. Click on it, and from the list of pages, look for your blog page. This is the page where all your blog posts are displayed to your visitors, so it's important to select the right one. Under your blog page, look for the Manage Posts button and click on it. A blog dashboard will now appear on your screen. This dashboard is your command center for all blog-related activities. From here, you can manage your blog posts by selecting each post individually. To edit an existing post, simply hover your cursor over the post you want to modify and click on Edit. This will open the blog editor window where you can make changes to the content, images, or settings of that particular post. Now, if you want to add a new blog post, simply click on the plus Create New Post button located on the top right part of your screen. This will open a fresh blog editor window for you to work in. Populate the editor with your blog post content, including your title, body text, images, and any other media you want to include. The editor is intuitive and gives you plenty of formatting options to make your post look professional and engaging. Once you're done crafting your blog post and you're satisfied with how it looks, simply click on Publish on the top right part of this window. Your post will now be live on your website for your audience to read. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage, edit, and add blog posts in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.